know what's coming. So do you folks at home.
Yeah, you got to give it a little razzle, dazzle, whatever, you know. Whenever you can.
Well, John, I think Willy Wonka said, candy is dandy, but liquor is quicker.
Well, let me tell you, we're not trying to get, make anything so that kids can't have it.
No.
So just a little teeny weeny little bit for flavor is good. We don't want to overdo it. But ain't nothing wrong with giving a little. Yeah.
Little peek. Got it.
Heck yeah.
Okay, what are you? Oh boy. Caramel filled. Oh.
Well, now, there's always. Yeah. It's always that thing you gotta do,
Yeah, just to elevate it a little.
Yeah, you gotta, take it a little further, Okay. So now that becomes a honking ass cookie. Okay. Well, yeah, but it's too much. It really is, because you want to have others too. So, I'm just saying. So what we want to do now, okay, is just give these little Cutarooski here.
Okay.
Right in half. Actually, it'd be better to do them at an angle like this. Okay. That. There we go. Okay. Now, where's that chocolate? Where's that chocolate? Here's the chocolate.
And there is no such thing as too much chocolate.
Back to our pan. Chocolate. Okay.
Oh boy. Wow.
You like?
Oh, yeah.
Don't those look yummy?
Totally.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They look beautiful.
Sure do.
And oh, so yummy. Okay. Obviously, we could do, peanuts or whatever.
Right.
Other than the almonds. Okay, let me just go ahead and do these two.
Yeah.
You know what's missing? Peanut butter. I don't typically do peanut butter quite a bit. My son has a peanut allergy, so I kind of shy away from that.
That's understandable.
Having things laying around. But, there are occasions where I'll use peanut butter or peanuts or whatever, and boy, that would be good right here. So, just saying. Whenever I do, I do a lot of peanut-free things for people with allergies, so I'm very sensitive to it. Okay. Well,